Here we go, y'all. Crunchwrap Supreme. Not your Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme. It's BBQ Pork Supreme Crunchwrap. Let's try this out. Hey everybody, Mike Chavez here once again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today, gonna do something different again. Gonna do Crunchwrap Supremes, but not your typical Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supremes. These are gonna be Crunchwrap Supreme via Mike Chavez, okay? So what I'm gonna do, these are gonna actually be BBQ pork Crunchwrap Supreme. So I have a pork butt that I deboned. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna cut this up. I ain't sure how I'm gonna cut it up yet, but I'm gonna cut it up. I'm gonna make up some Tex-Mex barbecue rub. We're gonna get them out on the smoker until they're nice and falling apart. Then I got some homemade corn tortillas and some tostada shells. So we're gonna layer them up with the barbecue pulled pork, beans, tostada shells, cheese, lettuce, tomato. We're gonna fold them over. Then we're gonna put them back out on the Pit Barrel Gravity 980 on my grilling plate and finish them up. So this is gonna be really good, y'all. So let's check it out, all right? Come on. All right then, first thing I'm gonna do is make my rub up. So what I got here, a little bowl, about half a cup of kosher salt, a little bit less. And for my spices, I've got, what do we got here? This is, we got here is 2 tablespoons of ancho chili powder, right there. About a tablespoon of smoked paprika, some fresh ground black pepper, some oregano, some cumino, some thyme. Got about a tablespoon of onion powder and a tablespoon of garlic powder. So we're just going to dump all that, everybody in the boat. All right, shake it on up. So you could probably, this could probably double as taco seasoning too. This ought to be really good. All right, so just get it all mixed up really nice. Now the meat, what I've done here, this is a half a pork butt I had in the freezer. So it had a bone in it, so I got the bone out. So I just want to cut it up in pieces, kind of like pork steaks. So if you got some pork steaks, this will work. So I'm gonna cut it up in pieces, stack it, let's see here. So just nice thick chunks. That's all I'm going to do. So we're going to put this straight on the Char-Griller. So let me spread these chunks out. So we'll go ahead and get our Southwestern or Cali-Tex-Mex style rub, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it Cali-Tex-Mex rub or Southwestern rub. So we'll coat the meat really nice. Get some good flavor on here. Flip it over. the back side. All right, so we'll let this sweat. I'm gonna go get the cooker fired up. So I'll see y'all outside. All right, y'all, so we're gonna be running the cooker about, I don't know, 275, something like that. So, we got some charcoal left in the bottom of the hopper. I'll put some hickory wood down in there. Good little amount. Charcoal on top of that. Put some more charcoal in the hopper, actually. Just a little bit. Few more wood chunks. That ought to do it. More charcoal. I figure this cook should take about 3-4 hours, something like that. So let's fire it up. All right, so let's open up the firebox. Put me a nice tumbleweed in there. There we go. Give me a torch. And time to fill this thing back up. This thing's hot, sitting out in the sun. All right, we're good. So let's give this about 10 minutes to fire up, and we'll get the grill going. So, turn the cooker on. Set the temperature, let's go 275. 275. Hit the button, and the fan's kicked on. Close the front. We'll let her come on up to temp, and we'll get the pork on. All right, so my pork pieces are nice and sweated out. The rub. So I'm gonna put these little pieces up here, these bigger pieces down on the bottom. Get all that rub. Alright, we'll give this about an hour. Then we'll come check on them. See how they're doing. Put them to bed. Nice. Alright, y'all, been a little over an hour. Let's take a peek. Oh wow, these are looking good. Let's give them a little flip. All right, leave them on here another hour. All right, y'all, we've been on here about two and a half hours. Let's take a peek, see what we're looking like. All right, let's get a temp. $160. See what these little pieces are doing. See if I can. About the same. I'm gonna let these get up to about 200. Something like that, so they fall apart. Yeah, we got about another hour to go. Looking good, looking good. All right, y'all, let's see what we got here. So a little over 180. Yeah, give these about another hour. Little piece up here, same way. But now this little sucker here is going in the house with me though. That's gonna be good. I'm gonna go snack on that. All right, y'all. See you in a minute. All right, y'all. Let's take a peek. See what we got. Almost 200. See what this one shows. Oh, that one's ready. All right. So I'm gonna get these off of here. Let them sit for a while. We'll chop them up for the crunch wraps. Gonna put our cast iron griddle on there, and that's what we'll do the crunch wraps on. We'll let them get warm. All right, y'all, ready to put these crunch wraps together. So, got some Mexican style melting cheese. Got my homemade salsa. Got some Mexican crema or table cream. It's like sour cream, but better. Got some avocado, some tomato, some lettuce. Matter of fact, I'm going to put just a little bit of salt on this avocado. There we go. Got some tostadas. And I got my homemade tortillas. So I just made these up earlier. These will be on a separate video. So I made these up. So, the star of the show is going to be this barbecue pork steaks or pork chunks. So what I'm gonna do is chop this up. So chop up this pork meat. Look at that. Little barbecue pork meat. Also got some refried beans. So let's do this. Take a tortilla. Get some beans. Oh, almost forgot. Also want to put some nacho cheese. I just got some regular Tostitos. Alright. Put some of that pork meat on there. Barbecue. Our tostada. All right. Put a little more nacho cheese on there for glue. Touch more beans. Touch more meat. All right. Got that Mexican cheese on there. Some crema. Homemade salsa. All right. Let's see if this will fold up. It's not going to fold up, so I got the solution to that. Take one of these smaller tortillas. Lay that on there. We'll bring our corners in.
She did that. She set all the bombs on.
Bring our edges up. Give it a little press so it stays. All right. We'll set it on our pan there. All right, y'all. So my griddle is hot. Put a little duck fat on there. So we'll take these crunch wraps, put the folded side down. Let that cook for a bit, get it toasted. All right, y'all, we're gonna call these ready. We can get them too dark. Bring them on in, dress them up, and have some dinner. All right, y'all, to finish these off, put them on a plate. All right, so I'm gonna take a little lettuce. These will be eaten with a knife and a fork. A little lettuce, a little tomato. Just, you know, you could put the lettuce and tomato inside, but if you got room, I didn't have room. My tortillas weren't quite big enough. Some avocado. All right. A little more fresh salsa.
They said even the youngest, I mean, even little kids are getting it.
Or homemade salsa, I should say.
Animals are getting
It's a couple days old.
Yes.
More crema.
Where did they come? Where did it come from? How did these animals get COVID?
There we go. Lovely. All right, let's try these out. Here we go, y'all. Crunchwrap Supreme, not your Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme. It's BBQ Pork Supreme Crunchwrap. Let's try this out. Let's cut this in half and see what it looks like. All right, y'all, here you go. Crunchwrap Supreme Barbecue Pork Crunchwrap. Oh my goodness. I've been looking forward to this all day. Made the tortillas homemade. Cut that pork butt up, put it out there, let it cook. So, here you go, y'all. Y'all ready for this? I'm ready for this. Taste! Whoa! Oh my. Got a winner here, y'all. I gotta taste this again. One more time. Mmm. That is awesome. So, not your Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme. Barbecue Crunchwrap Supreme. Right here you saw it. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Any comments, questions, leave them below. And click that button right there to subscribe. Come back and visit me again next time. So we'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.